Hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all? Hello.
Fine, ma'am.
So last class we completed, right? Coordinate geometry.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Hello. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು?
No, ma'am. No doubts.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
And one more thing. Then, like, since we are almost done with a month already, so we will have to take our periodic test. So when should we have the test?
Ma'am, before 23rd, because my FA2 starts on 23rd.
Okay, we will have it on 12th of September. Not this Sunday, the Sunday, like the coming Sunday. Not this Sunday.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
12th of September.
Okay, ma'am.
Topics will be two topics, whatever we have done after the first periodic test. Pair of linear equations in two variables, that chapter, and AP. Shall we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
coordinate geometry also?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why? Who said no?
Ma'am, didn't attend the classes.
Not my
We're having
problem.
test. Ma'am, having test in the school.
When?
And this week, today it finished.
When is your test current?
Ma'am, this week it started, ma'am. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Today, our test got finished.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Fine.
don't know coordinate geometry.
You will have test on 12th. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Coordinate geometry, you have got only 2 videos of it. And hardly you have got like 1, 2, 3, 4 problems in 4 formulas in coordinate geometry. It's a very simple chapter. Watch out the videos and prepare for the test. If you have doubts, call me. I'll help you.
I'll try, ma'am.
Okay. This time, you people have to score good marks. Because last time I was not at all happy with your performance. Okay. Practice properly this time. So topics.
Yes.
I'll just put it up in the group. So ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾನು ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಐ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ 12th of September, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
September and the chapters. Linear equations in two variables. Then AP. Coordinate geometry. I've sent it in the group. Fine. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Everyone. So today we'll start with, shall we start with triangles today?
You said coordinates. Quadratic.
Quadratics.
Yes, ma'am.
You have it for your FA Shrikar?
Yes, ma'am. They've already completed like half of the chapter.
Okay, fine. Then we start with Praveen. Okay, let's start. Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
did you attend last class?
Ma'am, I was not feeling well, ma'am.
ನೀವು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸಿದಿರುತ್ತಾ?
Ma'am?
ನೀವು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ಸ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತಾ?
No. Ma'am,
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? If you're not attending the classes, what are you supposed to do?
I don't know.
Tell me. You can leave the class.
No,
You can leave the class. Tell your parents to call me, talk to me, then attend the class. Leave. Leave, Harshit.
ma'am, now.
Now I can't talk. I can't disturb other students, right? Now I can't talk. Leave the class. Call me after the class. You can attend tomorrow's class. Now leave.
Ma'am, I'll make the call after the class.
ಬೇಡ ನನ್ಗದು. I don't want. Didn't I tell you that if you're not attending classes, you have to inform in prior? ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಾ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಿಣಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ every time. Leave or I will remove you from the class. Don't waste my time, the other friends' time. So please leave, Harshit.
okay.
Attend tomorrow. So next time, the same thing will happen for others also. If you're not informing me or like without any information, if you're absent for the class. ಏನ್ ನೆಂಟು ಮನೆನಾ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ? What do you think of this? We teachers, if you're not taking classes or if there's any problem with us, even we will inform you guys, right? Have the basic common sense.
Yes, ma'am.
At least inform us if you're not attending the classes. The next time, if you're not attending the classes, your parents have to call me and inform me. I don't want any message, text message from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. I don't want any messages from these. The parents have to call me, inform me that you're not attending classes with proper reason. Quadratic equations. What are quadratic equations? Can anyone define me? Can anyone define me what are quadratic equations? We learned this in our previous chapters. Polynomials chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ quadratic equations ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಅಂತ? If you're not telling me, I am also not telling you. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You have to answer me. If you guys
Ma'am,
agree,
which
don't try to answer my questions. Even from now on, I don't receive your calls. I don't reply to your text messages. I'll not do anything. Effort has to be from both the sides, not only from me. Yes,
ma'am, with two terms.
with two terms. What are binomials then?
That's fine.
Ma'am, highest.
2 times.
Yeah.
Ma'am, highest power 2.
Yes.
Yeah, good.
Ma'am, an equation which has a power of 2. Highest power 2.
Power for what? Power, is it for the numbers? Is it for the variables? Yeah,
Variable.
Variables.
the power of, huh? It is for the variables. So the equations in which the highest power of the variable is 2, or you can say the equations in which the degree is 2. Such equations are called quadratic equations. The equations in which the degree of the variable is 2 are called quadratic equations. Example, anyone? Dhruti, can you?
1x
4x square.
Okay, example. Yes, Puneet.
Can I tell?
5x square plus 3x
What? 5x square plus?
3x
Complete.
plus
It said equations.
plus 4 is equal to 0.
Okay. Dhruti, can you give me an example for quadratic equations?
Six x plus 4x to the power of 2.
Louder.
4x to the power of 2. Exponent. Degree
Next.
plus 2 is equal to 0.
Rajwal, example. Use some different numbers. You can use fractions, decimals, you can use square roots, everything. Yes.
12x square plus 15 x square x plus 19 is equal to 0.
You can take up any example. Let's say 0.5 y square minus root 3 y plus 10 will be equal to 0. Now we can write it as 1 by 8 n square plus 6n minus 5 is equal to 0. As I told you, you can use fractions, decimals, positive numbers, negative numbers, anything. And you can use any variable. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ excel ಬರಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು not like that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts with this? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Did you finish writing it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to be faster. You have to write down along with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Complete.
Done? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Standard form of a quadratic equation. If you remember, we learned a standard form for a linear equation, right? Ax1 plus b1y plus c is equal to 0. The same way we have some standard form for quadratic equations as well. Okay, so what is it?
Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Ax square plus
bx plus c is equal to 0.
very good. Then idu just half of the answer. Full answer.
Where x is not equal to 0.
Very good. This is very important. Not x actually, it is a. A not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. So this is the standard form of a given quadratic equation. What happens if A is equal to 0, guys?
Ma'am, x square will also be 0.
What?
Ma'am, the x square will also be 0.
Correct. So see, if A is equal to 0, what happens? Substitute here. 0 into x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This whole term will become 0. Correct. So I'll be left out with bx plus c is equal to 0. Is this a quadratic equation or not? Bx plus c, is
No,
this
ma'am.
a quadratic equation?
No, ma'am.
This is not a quadratic
No, ma'am.
equation. This is a linear. Correct. So whenever you write a quadratic equation, A should not be equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, then this quadratic equation turns out to be a linear equation. That's why you have to be careful that your A value shouldn't be 0. So you have a, let's say you have a quadratic equation, and if you put A is equal to 0, it becomes a linear equation. Okay, that's the problem with this. So the condition is that, like, along you, like whenever you write a standard form, you have to write this condition. This is important. Okay. In your exam, listen. This question will be asked, for example, 1 mark or 2 marks. In that case, if you just write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you will only get half of the mark. If you don't write this condition, your mark will be deducted. This condition is very important. So standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. This is the complete answer. Clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Doubts, Vidya? Do you want me to repeat?
No.
Fine with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then, do you know how to check whether a given equation is a quadratic equation or not? Let's say I have check whether the following equations are quadratic equations or not. This is the short form theory of the first one. X minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus. So this is the question, and you want to check whether this equation is a quadratic or not. How do you check? Expand it.
First.
Ma'am, first bring it to the form of
Standard
is equal to 0.
Yes. So expand this. So x
X
square
square plus 4.
4 minus 4x plus 1, that is equal to 2x minus 3. So you have x square, then minus 4x, shift this, minus 2x.
Minus 2.
So you have 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is equal to 0. So you have x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Is this in the standard form?
Yes, ma'am.
This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore, this is the given question, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Okay?
Yes.
Did you write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second one. Check this. Tell me whether it's a quadratic equation.
I'm done, ma'am.
Is this a quadratic or not?
Ma'am, it is a quadratic equation.
Yes. So just bring it up into standard form. So multiply 2x square plus 3x is minus x square minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square is x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic. Okay. Clear with this? Any doubts?
No,
No, ma'am.
So check this. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1.
Ma'am, not a quadratic equation.
Right?
ma'am, highest power is 3.
3.
So this is not a quadratic equation. So here only if you see, this is the form a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If we expand, we'll get it as x cube plus 2 cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. This is a 6 into x plus 2. And if we expand this, you will have 2x cube minus 2x. So here only if you observe, you will have x cube. So this is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Here with this. Yeah. So next we will just take up few of the statements. Okay. Like the word problems and the statements. And we will try to write the equations for it. Okay. We will not solve. We will just learn how to write the equation. Okay. On the first question. The area. Right on the question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than 12 its width. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay. So can you just try to do this? I mean, I just want the equation. Don't solve it. Can you just give me the equation? Can you try? So consider the breadth.
Ma'am, breadth as x.
Breadth x and length as y.
Don't use length as y. Okay, even if you use it, you have to write it in terms of breadth only. So it says the length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So first of all, twice the breadth is 2x and 1 more than that is plus 1. That is the length. Okay, and you need to find out the length and breadth, and they have given us the area. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So area is 528. Length is 2x plus 1 into brackets x. So multiply. 528 is equal to 2x square plus x. So I want the equation 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic form. Okay. Clear with us?
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, it will become 3x, ma'am. Ma'am, 2x plus 1.
Shrikar, how can you add 2x and 1?
Ma'am, what happens to that? Oh, wait, ma'am.
What?
Nothing, ma'am. Ma'am, got it.
See, you cannot add 2x and 1, Shrikar. They
Yes,
are
ma'am, got it.
unlike terms. Done with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try the next one. The product of two consecutive integers is 306. Find the integers. You may not find the integers, just give me the equation. Done? Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
equation. Ma'am, equation.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me
Ma'am, x.
also the steps, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if we consider one number as x, the other number is x plus 1.
Okay, let me consider, like, since they have told me that two consecutive numbers, right? Let me consider first
Yes.
number as x. What is the second number?
X plus 1.
Yes, exactly. That is x plus 1. Consecutive means immediate next number. Okay. So, and we need to take the product of it. So, x into x plus 1 equal to
306.
306. So, multiply. X square
X square plus x minus 306.
is equal to 0. Okay. Clear with us, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Arpita, Dhriti, Karan, Puneet,
No, ma'am.
Pawan,
No.
Shekhar, Prajwal?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No.
fine. Done with this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Another question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. find the ones present age. Try this.
Done.
Wait.
Can I say the equation?
That's okay. You also have to explain. Just equation another, you have to explain.
Rowan says age is x1.
Okay. Shall consider Rohan's age as X. Okay.
Rowan's mother age will be x plus 26
Why?
because she is older than 20. Older than him, 26.
Not older than Rohit. I mean, older than 26, which is she is older than Rohit by 26 years. Right? So X plus 26. Okay. Next.
Next I should do.
Archana.
Equation.
Ma'am,
I
x
should
square
do.
plus ma'am, x square plus 26 minus 360 equals 0.
So how did you get that?
We have to add 3 now.
Yes, this is their
Present age.
but after they have given after 3 years. So after 3 years, what happened?
X plus 3.
Rohan's age
Ma'am,
will
X
be
plus
X plus
3.
3 is Rohan's age. And what about her
X plus
mother's
26.
age? This will be X plus 26 and then plus 3, which is nothing but X
29.
plus 29. Correct? So you need to find the product of these two. They are given the product of 360. So X plus 3, X plus 29 equal to 360. Simplify. X square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 is
87.
360. So x square plus 32x plus 87.
Minus 253.
So x square plus 32x minus how much?
253.
253.
53.
Ma'am, minus 253.
Wait. Check again. Is it 253? Again.
Ma'am, 73 minus 273.
Yes, it is 273 minus 273 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Check with the subtraction. 360 minus 87. It's 273. Done with this?
Yes.
Yeah. So these are the very basic things. We learned about quadratic equation, standard form, and how to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not, and then few of the word problems and how to derive a equation from it. Okay, so now take a break. In the next session, we'll learn how to solve a quadratic equation. Okay, we have got different methods. We will learn them. Okay, take a break and come back.